Now, a major news break. Major mid-air scare was reported this morning after an Indigo flight with 272 passengers on board made an emergency landing at Nagpur airport. The Kolkata-bound aircraft had just taken off when it suffered a bird strike, damaging the front portion of the plane. All right, yet another air accident that we in fact learn of in the recent times. The airport officials have confirmed that the flight was forced to return and then land safely, as it was compromised in the also in the security of the passengers. With no injuries reported, fortunately, the aircraft has since been grounded. The flight has been cancelled. Authorities are investigating the incident while passengers are being assisted with alternative travel arrangements. Uneza, my colleague, joins me with more updates on this. Uneza, what are the latest updates now that you are in fact tracking as Indigo flight returns to Nagpur after the mid-air accident that is reported?
So yeah, emergency landing are taken very seriously in this case. Prior to the landing and the aircraft crash in Ahmedabad, so this time it has taken very seriously, and the quick decision by the pilot ensured that there was no danger to the passengers, and that's why they have evacuated the entire flight immediately as soon as he reported an unusual vibration. To take the safety measures, they decided to land the craft immediately, and immediately the action has been taken. The airline has said to passengers that they'll be shifted to another aircraft so that they can continue their journey. So such incidents definitely reminds us the unpredictable air travel, and but somehow this time the immediate action has been taken, and flight has been landed immediately, safely.
All right, Uneza, thank you very much for these updates.